On this episode of The Lonely Ab, I'm going to show you how to make a gourmet meal that has your friends thinking you're a professional chef.
Ooh, qué rico. That's so good.
I'm going to show you how to make a dish that's going to impress whoever you cook for. This dish sounds fancy, but you're going to see that it's really not. So we're going to do seared scallops, sweet potatoes, and a zucchini salad. Like this is going to be chop worthy. And you're going to notice I'm not even measuring anything out, because if you've been cooking in the kitchen with your grandmother, unless she was baking a cake, at least my grandmother never measured anything out. We're trying out a mesquite olive oil. As far as spice, we have granulated garlic and granulated onion, smoked paprika, and pepper. That's our gathered ingredients. Let's get started. So for this dish, I'm gonna break out my trusty one-handed cutting board. I was using this when I first came home from the hospital, and I wasn't able to use my left hand, which I'm able to do now. What we're gonna do is cut these really thin. We're gonna lay them in a non-stick pan, drizzle them with a little of the mesquite olive oil, and then season them with our garlic, onion, and paprika and pepper. That's it. These just look nice and crispy. I preheated my pan so it's nice and hot. I'm gonna take the scallops and put them seasoned side down into the olive oil. I'm gonna make a zucchini ribbon salad. I've never made one before, but I've seen it on TV. So I have my zucchini on the one-handed cutting board, and all I'm gonna do is use this peeler to make ribbons. I love it when something actually works like it does on TV. We're just gonna add a few toppings. A little bit of mozzarella cheese, sweet peppers. I always keep these in the fridge. Greek yogurt, 0 fat. Last thing we're gonna do is add a little fresh dill from the garden. Just gonna add this right on top. We're gonna add our scallop sweet potatoes. Top it off, we're gonna add a little onion jam.